Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, welcome back to my presentation. My name is Aditya Hazim. So today I'm gonna doing my task. That is teacher of the day, or we can say TOTD. And for the topic that I took is about vocabulary. And for the specific, there are two. The first one is for the room in the school buildings, and the second will be goes to the something that there is in the school. Okay, so for the first, we're gonna get into the vocabulary in the school buildings. Okay, so the first, there are schoolyard, or the meaning is halaman sekolah. So at the front of the school, there will be schoolyard, and after that, there is principal's office, or in Indonesia, the meaning is ruang kepala sekolah, and the principal office it gonna used by the chief of the school and the other staff like that. And for the third, there is the classroom, or the meaning is ruang kelas. The classroom is used for the room for study by all the students, and teach by the teacher. And the next is the music room. Music room is ruangan musik. So some school they will be have the music room to doing the course or extracurricular. And after that, the next is computer room, or the meaning is ruang komputer. So computer room is used for like using to uh, add lesson or class tambahan maybe, or doing some practice about the information or IT. And after that, the next is library, or the meaning is perpustakaan. Library is it's gonna use to be the place for put the book and the student who want to read the book or learn something in the library. And the next is locker. Lockers, the in Indonesia still same means locker. It's almost same like a shelf to put our stuff in there, like laptop or bag and others. And the next there is pool. Pool means kolam renang for the student that who want to get learn about the swimming. And the next there is the playground, or the meaning is taman bermain. So the student who got take a rest and they wanna have some resting time, there will be do go to the playground. The next there is the toilet, or the meaning is also same toilet or kamar mandi. It's used for the student that want to take a dump or want to take a pee and others. And the next is baseball field, or maybe not only baseball field but other, but we can say it's sport place, or tempat olahraga. So the student who want to get some sport activity like playing ball, playing baseball, playing basketball and others, you guys can go to the sports place. And the last is the art room, or we can say is ruang seni. Some school they giving a art room to this for the student who want to learn about art, like they will be drawing and others. Next, we gotta go to the school vocabularies. The next is about the something that are in the school. The first, there is the easel, or we can say alat melukis. And the next, there is the eraser, or penghapus. And the next is fan, or we can say is kipas angin. There is file holder, or we can say uh, alat membungkus. And the next is the flash, alat peneliti. And there is the funnel, or we can say corong. And the next is geography. And there's globe. Globe means bumi. And after that, there's glue, or we can say lem. And after that, the highliner or Indonesia means stabilo. And the next is history, or we can call it in Indonesia as sejarah. And the next is interactive board, or maybe in some school we can call that tablet, like that, for learn something digital. And the next is janitor, or we can say office boy, the other language. And after that, keyboard means keyboard also. It's in the computer lab. And the next is lab or ruang meneliti. And the next is librarian, or we can say in Indonesia penjaga perpustakaan. And the next is library or perpustakaan. And the next is lunchbox or makan siang. Like we know at Indonesia there is the MBG from the government for the free lunchbox. And the next is magnifying glass or kaca pembesar. There will be in the lab. And the next is the map, or we can call it as peta. The next is math or matematika. And the next is monitor, or we can say computer, like that. Okay, so the conclusion that we got from this learning, that we must know all the things that in the school to make our brain become more smart, like that. Okay, uh, how many minutes? Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I have also in here. The next is, wait. Okay, the next is art room, or we can call it as ruang seni, like what I say at before. There is also a bag, or we can say it's tas. That's the things that we gonna use every time to go to school. The next is baseball field. I already told it. There is speaker, or it's same also alat peneliti atau penampung. The next is bell. Same. The meaning is bell. And there's also blue stick. It's almost same like file holder. And the next is biology, or we can say is biologi. The next is board, or we can call it as papan tulis. But there are two types. The first is board like this, the standard one, and there are also the whiteboard or papan tulis yang the white version. Okay, so I think that's all that I can say in here, and I hope we can know more about the vocabularies in other place. And my name is Adit Azim. I'm really sorry if there is a mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.